Recipes can be viewed, created, and edited from the recipe selection. When entering an order, the recipe options available will come from the active recipes defined here. A recipe is made up of one or more treat products selected from the treat products the user has added into the system, along with an application rate measured either in ounces per CWT or 100 pounds, or ounces per seed count unit. On the recipes data page, all recipes are listed in the table on the left. To view the details of a specific recipe, select it from the table and the related recipe information will appear on the right. Before a recipe can be used in an order, a recipe mapping profile must be created. The mapping profile assigns each treat product in the recipe to a treat product stand, telling the AutoTreat system where each treat product will be dispensed during the recipe run. To add a new recipe, select the New button. If a pop-up appears asking you how to create the recipe, select Local to build one yourself. A new recipe form will open where you will enter the recipe name, description, and any comments along with selecting the crop associated with this recipe. The crop selection is very important as the crop type on the recipe must match the crop type of the seed selected for an order. Additionally, the crop will determine the unit size, seeds per unit, which can be changed for soybeans, cotton, corn, and so on. This field is critical because it defines the size of the unit used for an application rate that is entered in the ounces per unit. Once this information has been entered, select Next to proceed. From here, you can begin adding treat products to the recipe. Select Add Product and choose the desired product from the list. Enter the appropriate application rate and specify whether the rate type will be measured in ounces per 100 pounds, ounces per CWT, or ounces per unit. After entering this information, select Add Treat Product to Recipe to record the addition. Repeat this process for each treat product that needs to be included in the recipe. When all of the treat products have been added and the recipe details are complete, finalize the process by selecting Save. The recipe will now be available in the system and can be used for orders once it has been properly mapped. To edit an existing recipe, highlight the recipe in the table on the left, select the Edit button, then a pop-up form will appear like before. Highlight the treat product listed in the form and either select Modify Rate to change the treat product rate or delete treat product to remove the treat product from the list. Click the Save button to update the information. To delete a recipe, simply highlight the recipe, select the Delete button. A pop-up will appear asking the user if they are sure they wish to delete the recipe. If the user selects yes, the recipe will be removed permanently from the list.